What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I'm going to show you how to use the gear trim piece for the overhead cab shelf. And basically this just slides right in. We have a couple little soft rubber pads on the inside so it doesn't scratch or rattle when you slide it on. And then there's also a cutout. If you're wondering what this is this is so you can use our TV bracket, especially for the Storyteller modes where you're able to put our TV bracket on a TV, have it stored above your overhead cab shelf, and then it'll slide and lock right into here. Also, we have all these cutouts, L-track, so you can hang things, put hooks on here. I'll hang shirts, clothes, towels, jackets, etc. So you can do that. You can also buy these little hooks here and kind of lock these in as well so you can hang things, okay? Take that out for the install. And all these other little grooves and holes in here, you can add little things like a mounting ball, okay? You can put that in here, bolt that down, okay? Anywhere you want on here. And then you'll have these arms, just like our nav mount. Then you can add these arms on here and different holders, radios, phones, iPads. You can do TV mounts, whatever you want to do. So if somebody was sitting back here and this was up here, they could have a mounted iPad while they're watching TV on the back seat. So when you get this, it's really simple. All you're going to do is slide it right in. So you can't start high because of the curve of the van. So you're going to start right over here. You're going to push it towards the left and then slide it down, and then that's it. That's how it goes on there. So we'll do that again. So as I'm coming up, I'm bringing it in, sitting it right on top of the cab shelf, sliding it over to the left, pushing on it, and then sliding it down and locking it in place. And then that's it. Now you're able to mount things on here, mount your TV. If for some reason you have this cab shelf and it has a little curtain rod holder here for a curtain, you're gonna have to take that off for this to work, but just take those two pieces off, pull your curtain rod out, and then now you have this. So this is great. Just like I said, you can put your arms up there, which is really nice if you're sitting back here and you're watching TV when you're being a passenger, or even if you're pulled off the side of the road and just hanging out. And then again, all these little hooks and stuff like that, O-rings that you can put on here to mount things. So that's how you install our gear trim piece for the overhead cab shelf cover.